To deliver a great customer experience and hit your budget, you have to be working with the right service providers for your facility's maintenance needs. But the traditional ways of finding and managing providers just leave you guessing. The result? You end up with slower service, longer downtime, and a frustrated operations team. ServiceChannel gives you a new way to find and manage proven providers for outstanding service. It starts with a transparent scorecard for measuring provider performance and cost, so you can reward the providers who deliver excellent results with more work. Next, find out whether you're getting the best prices, speed, and quality by benchmarking your existing vendors against each other and over 70,000 providers on ServiceChannel. The platform continually monitors the health of your provider network, showing you the weak spots where you should focus for faster service and lower costs. When it's time to make an upgrade, search the ServiceChannel Marketplace to find top providers for your trades and locations based on their outstanding performance for other clients. With ServiceChannel, you get the only search engine that ranks providers based on their actual service costs and performance. The only way for providers to stand out is by doing great work, because they can't pay to be promoted. You can review the provider's profile for a good fit and click to invite them into your network. The platform makes it easy to onboard and test new providers before giving them more work. And all the while, it safeguards your business by automatically enforcing your insurance and compliance requirements. If you don't have the bandwidth to do it yourself, our team can help you out with our managed services. We can source and coach top performers, handle compliance and onboarding, and continually optimize your network over time so it keeps getting better. Explore more in our videos. And if you're eager to see this in action, request a custom demo at ServiceChannel.com.